In this video, we are going to work on our moving our units. So let's go to our game manager, and then here we are going to our where we write set players. After this line, we want to add photon view dot rpc. Inside of that, set next turn. Then rpc target dot all buffered. So now let's go to our player controller script, and here we make a update function. Inside of the update, we want, if it's not our photon view, then we don't want to do anything. So if not photon view that is mine, then we want to return it, do nothing. But if it's ours, so if it's our turn, so if we want use the mouse to move our units, so if vector 3, no, before that let's make an input that get mouse button down, and the number is 0 with the right one, and it's our turn, so game manager dot instance dot current player is equal to this. When we push the mouse button and also it's our turn, then we want vector 3 pose is equal to, so camera.main dot screen to word point. Inside of the parentheses, we have input dot mouse position. Now we are going to make a new function here, and I will call it void till I select, and vector 3 select pose, the parameter select pose. Then here we will write try select like that. Now inside of the parentheses we will write new vector 3 matf dot round to it, so pose dot x matf dot round to int pose y. And for the 0 And for the Z, we just write Z there. Now here unit is equal to unit.find, and inside of the parenthesis system.predicate the unit match. So we need to write x is equal bigger than x dot transformation dot position is equal to select pose. So now I'm coming to over here to make a new function void select unit inside of the parenthesis unit to select. So then after that I need to make an if condition here. So if unit is not equal to null, then we want select unit. Did I write it? Ah, let me change it to select unit. And we want to return unit. Now here, if we are not selecting unit, then just return it. Now here, are we selecting an enemy unit? So here unit, this time itself, like here, we have here unit, here we will write enemy unit is equal to enemy dot unit. So then I'm going to add this part to there. Now let's make a function here, void, so try attack. Inside of that unit, and the parameter that we want to use is enemy unit. So down here we can write if enemy unit is not equal to null, so if we have enemy unit, we want them to attack. Enemy units then also we want to return. So now let's go make a new function here for our moving. Void try move. Inside of that, vector3 move pose. Now here I will write try move side select pose. So now here in the select unit, so we will write if inside of the parentheses unit to select. We cannot to select our unit. Dot can select. Then we just want to return it. But if we can select the unit, so if selected unit is not equal to null, then selected unit dot to get select be false. Now here we can write selected unit is equal to unit to select now. Now we want to make it to copy this line, paste it, and instead of false, it's true. So now when we're going to make our UI script, we want to set the unit info text. So now let's go and make it the select function. And I will write it here. Void the so select unit and then I'm going to use this line. We are going to deselect the unit. Then under that, selected unit is equal to null. Also want to disable the unit info text. So now let's make a next function, and that will be void select next available unit and inside unit available is equal so units dot find x equal bigger than x dot can select. Then under that, if available unit is not equal to null, then we want to select unit. Then else we want to deselect it. So now let's go to our try attack. Right here, if we are able to attack to this unit, so selected unit that can attack enemy unit dot transform dot position. Selected unit dot attack enemy unit but selected next available unit. We call that function, and we need to update the UI, which we will do it after we come to UI script. So now let's go to try move function. It's also the same as the try attack function. Here, if selected unit dot can move, move pause, then selected unit that can move, or not can move, just move. And move to move pause. And then selected next available unit. The reason that I got error here because here I made a mistake. So I write the wrong name. That's why I got this error. That was the mover. So that's why I also get the red error. So now that it fixed, now here also we need to update UI. So now we need to make a function, because now here we make a begin turn function. We need to make an end turn function to send it to our Photon network to set our new turn. So for that we need to write here public void end turn. First we need to deselect the unit. So if selected unit is not equal to null, Then we want to call that deselect function, the deselect unit. Then now let's start the new turn. So start next turn game manager dot instance dot photon view dot rpc inside of the parenthesis quotation mark. The function that we want to call is set next turn rpc target dot all. We want to send it to all the computers. So now let's save all the script that we change and let's go back to the game. Select our game manager with the left player, drag this one for white player. We leave it the current player, and the post game time I will make it at 4 seconds. So now let's go to our resource, select our tank, double click it. So now current HP, we make it 20, max HP also 20, move speed at 1, mean damage will be 2, max damage 5, max move distance say 4, and max attack distance 3. Now for select visual, I'm going to add this one, and for the sprite I will use this one. Now for the fill image, we need to use the fill hex bar. For left player sprite, I will add tank and tank stand. For the white player, we can use the tank dark. So now that we all of them, we need to go back. Let's go to player controller. I think we need to make this one to false. So now let's save it. Back to the game again. Let's remove the tank because we are already making prefab. So now in the next video we are going to set our UI. So see you in the next video.